Good day everyone, my name is Nash Morales from Tensapan and my speech is about floods in Angono, Wawa. Have you ever had to walk through flood water just to get home? Or felt worried every time a typhoon comes, afraid that water might rise again? This thing happened here in our community, especially in Lakeside Eco Park. Every time strong rain hits, the area floods and it brings a lot of trouble to nearby residents. Flooding is not just an inconvenience, it affects transportation, health, and daily life. That's why I believe there should be immediate action to prevent floods in the area. The main reason behind this problem is the poor drainage system. When heavy rain falls, the water cannot flow properly and stays on the ground, causing flooding. To solve this, the local government should improve the drainage system around Lakeside Eco Park. If proper drainage is good, water can flow smoothly and prevent the area from flooding. This will save people from sicknesses like dengue and leptospirosis, and from damage to homes and roads. Preventing floods means protecting people's safety and comfort. No one deserves to struggle just because of rain. That's why I urge our local officials to take action and make these projects a priority. Let's not wait for another typhoon to cause damage before we do. I also believe that our leaders are aware of this situation and are finding ways to address it. With their help and our cooperation as residents, I am hopeful that one day Lakeside Eco Park will be a place that is not only beautiful but also safe from floods. Thank you, and let's all do our part to make our community better and flood